Japanese automakers sold over 4.8 million SUVs globally last year, yet most buyers still make costly mistakes choosing the wrong model, wasting thousands on vehicles that depreciate faster than their payments while missing out on engineering masterpieces that could serve their families flawlessly for decades. Today we're breaking down 7 Japanese SUVs so reliable and well-engineered, you could literally buy them with your eyes closed, including one luxury model that's completely redefining what premium means in 2025. A hybrid system that's making Tesla owners seriously question their choices, and a plug-in SUV that can drive through entire cities without burning a single drop of gasoline. Car number 1, Toyota RAV4 2025. What if I told you there's an SUV that can drive for weeks without you ever visiting a gas station, while simultaneously delivering performance that makes sports car owners do double takes? The 2025 Toyota RAV4's hybrid system doesn't just save fuel, it creates an entirely new driving experience where the transition between gas and electric power is so seamless you'll forget which mode you're in. This isn't your typical hybrid that feels sluggish or compromised like the early Prius models that made everyone cringe. But that's not all. The real magic happens when you realize this system is so refined that it actually enhances performance rather than limiting it, delivering instant torque that launches you from traffic lights with authority. The RAV4's interior transformation tells a story of Japanese attention to detail that puts luxury brands to shame and makes you question why you'd ever pay more for a European nameplate. Soft-touch materials replace the hard plastics of previous generations, while the sound insulation creates a cocoon of quietness that rivals cars costing twice as much. The boot space is designed with real families in mind. Those rear seats fold completely flat with one simple motion, creating a cargo area so versatile you could practically live out of it during camping trips. It gets crazier when you discover the hidden storage compartments that seem to multiply the available space through some kind of engineering wizardry. The safety technology reads the road like a crystal ball, predicting danger before your brain even processes the threat. Toyota Safety Sense doesn't just detect pedestrians and cyclists. It predicts their movements with scary accuracy, calculating trajectory, speed, and even potential erratic behavior patterns. The reason this is happening is Toyota's investment in AI that processes millions of real-world scenarios every second. But listen to this. The wireless connectivity updates your infotainment system while you sleep, meaning your RAV4 actually gets smarter over time, learning your preferences and adapting to your driving style. That's game-changing peace of mind that transforms every journey into a stress-free experience where technology works invisibly to protect what matters most. Car number 2. Honda CR-V 2025. Here's something that will shock electric vehicle enthusiasts and make Tesla owners seriously reconsider their choices. Honda just created a plug-in hybrid that can drive through most cities without burning a single drop of gasoline, while offering the flexibility that pure electric vehicles simply cannot match. The 2025 CR-V's electrification isn't just about being green, it's about giving you the ultimate freedom to choose how you want to drive based on your daily needs, weather conditions, and travel distance. City commute, pure electric silence and zero emissions. Weekend road trip, hybrid efficiency kicks in automatically, extending your range to over 600 miles without range anxiety. It gets crazier when you realize Honda engineered this transition to be completely transparent to the driver. No jarring shifts, no complicated modes to select, just seamless intelligence that adapts to your lifestyle. The CR-V's practicality revolution centers around space optimization that borders on magical, challenging the laws of physics with interior dimensions that seem impossible from the outside. That rear legroom increase isn't just numbers on a spec sheet, it's the difference between cramped passengers and comfortable humans on long journeys, with enough space for adults to actually cross their legs in the back seat. The adaptable seating system transforms your SUV from people hauler to cargo mover in seconds, with 60/40 split folding seats that create a flat loading floor perfect for everything from furniture to mountain bikes. But that's not all. The build quality improvements mean this CR-V will still be running strong when your neighbors are replacing their third SUV, with panel gaps so tight and materials so durable that it feels like a vehicle engineered to last decades, not just survive a lease term. Honda's safety innovation reads like science fiction made real, combining multiple technologies into a protective shield that works 24/7 without human intervention. Cameras and radar work together like a digital nervous system, watching every angle while adaptive cruise control maintains perfect following distances, even in stop-and-go traffic. Lane assist doesn't just nudge you back, it learns your driving style, understanding whether you prefer centered positioning or slight bias toward one side of the lane. The reason this is happening is Honda's breakthrough in sensor fusion technology that processes data faster than human reflexes. But listen to this, the system even monitors driver attention through eye tracking, gently alerting you if it detects drowsiness or distraction before any dangerous situation develops. That's tomorrow's technology available today, creating a safety cocoon that transforms every drive into a protected experience. Car number 3, Mazda CX-5 2025. Picture yourself carving through mountain roads in an SUV that handles like a sports sedan, while delivering hybrid efficiency that makes your wallet smile. This isn't fantasy, it's the reality Mazda has engineered into the 2025 CX-5. The CX-5 represents everything Japanese automotive excellence, stands for that perfect balance between engaging driving dynamics, premium design, and quality that outlasts generations. The mild hybrid system doesn't compromise the soul of this vehicle. Instead, it enhances the throttle response while dramatically improving fuel efficiency, creating a drivetrain that feels more alive and responsive than many naturally aspirated engines. It gets worse for the competition when you realize Mazda achieved this without sacrificing the engaging driving character that made the CX-5 an enthusiast favorite in the first place. The design evolution of the CX-5 tells a masterclass story in automotive aesthetics, where every sculpted line serves both form and function in perfect harmony. Those LED lighting elements aren't just pretty, they create a distinctive signature that's unmistakable from half a mile away, while the refined interior finishes elevate the cabin atmosphere to near luxury levels without the pretentious price tag. The materials feel expensive to the touch, with soft-touch surfaces where your hands naturally rest and premium textures that age gracefully over years of use. But that's not all. The ergonomic perfection means every control falls exactly where your hand expects it, creating an intuitive interface between human and machine that reduces driver fatigue on long journeys and makes every interaction feel natural and effortless. The technological integration represents a philosophy that puts usability above flashiness, creating systems that enhance rather than distract from the driving experience. The tech interface responds immediately to inputs without lag, while the advanced safety assistance includes improved pedestrian detection that can identify children and pets even in challenging lighting conditions. Cross-traffic alerts work with radar precision, warning you of approaching vehicles even when your view is completely blocked by larger vehicles or obstacles. The reason this is happening is Mazda's commitment to driver-focused technology rather than gimmicky features that sound impressive but fail in real-world use. But listen to this, the system learns and adapts to your preferences over time, adjusting sensitivity levels and alert timing to match your driving style, creating a personalized safety net that feels like natural intuition rather than intrusive technology. That's engineering excellence that transforms safety from annoying interruption to seamless protection. Car number 4, Nissan X-Trail 2025. Last month, I watched my neighbor struggle for 15 minutes trying to fit a large furniture piece into his supposedly spacious SUV, sweating and cursing while his kids waited impatiently. But if he'd owned the 2025 Nissan X-Trail, that entire ordeal would have taken 30 seconds thanks to the most ingenious seating system ever engineered. The new X-Trail's intelligent hybrid system combines the efficiency needed for daily city driving with the strong acceleration power that makes highway merging feel effortless and confident. This isn't just another mild hybrid setup, it's a sophisticated powertrain that reads your driving intentions and delivers exactly the right amount of power at precisely the right moment. But that's not all. The system actually learns your driving patterns over time, optimizing power delivery for your specific routes and habits, creating a personalized driving experience that gets better the longer you own it. The interior flexibility revolution starts with sliding rear seats that transform this SUV from a people carrier into a cargo hauler, with surgical precision, offering you the choice between maximum passenger comfort or maximum storage space, depending on your daily mission. Those quality finishes throughout the cabin aren't just about aesthetics, they're about creating a family-focused environment where every surface can withstand the chaos of real life while maintaining that premium feel that makes you proud to own it. The reason this is happening is Nissan's understanding that families need adaptability, not just space on paper. It gets crazier when you discover the hidden storage compartments and charging ports strategically placed throughout the cabin, creating a mobile command center that keeps everyone connected and organized during long journeys. Technologically, the X-Trail leads with intelligence rather than flashiness, featuring a central high-resolution screen that responds like a smartphone while integrating seamlessly with voice assistant compatibility that actually understands natural speech patterns. The 360-degree sensor system creates a protective bubble around your vehicle, with enhanced blind spot warnings that detect not just vehicles but motorcycles, bicycles, and even large animals in rural areas. But listen to this, the adaptive cruise control system doesn't just maintain following distance, it anticipates traffic flow changes by monitoring vehicles several cars ahead, adjusting your speed before you even realize you need to slow down. That's predictive intelligence that transforms stressful driving into relaxed cruising, where technology handles the mental load while you focus on enjoying the journey with your family. If you're finding these insights valuable and want to make sure you never miss our latest automotive deep dives, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because we're just getting started with some incredible revelations about these Japanese engineering masterpieces. Car number 5, Subaru Forester 225. Here's some advice that could save you thousands in repairs and countless hours of frustration. When choosing an SUV for outdoor adventures and all-weather reliability, never compromise on the drivetrain system. And the 2025 Subaru Forester's permanent all-wheel drive represents the gold standard that other manufacturers spend millions trying to replicate. This Forester maintains the legendary reliability that has made Subarus the preferred choice of mountain rescue teams, forest rangers, and outdoor enthusiasts who literally trust their lives to their vehicles in extreme conditions. The integration of hybrid technology doesn't water down this capability. Instead, it enhances the experience by providing instant torque for challenging terrain, while dramatically reducing emissions and fuel consumption. It gets worse for the competition when you realize Subaru achieved this environmental progress without sacrificing a single ounce of the rugged capability that defines the Forester's character. The interior design philosophy centers around durability and comfort for real-world use, where every material choice reflects the understanding that this vehicle will see mud, snow, sand, and everything nature can throw at it. Those seats aren't just comfortable for the daily commute, they're ergonomically perfected for long-distance driving through challenging terrain, with support systems that prevent fatigue even after 8 hours behind the wheel. The materials can handle wet gear, muddy boots, and sandy equipment without showing permanent damage or retaining odors. But that's not all. The interior layout prioritizes functionality over flash with controls that work perfectly even while wearing gloves, storage solutions designed for outdoor equipment, and a cargo area that can be hosed out after particularly adventurous weekends without damaging any electronic components. The evolved safety technology builds upon decades of Subaru's reputation for protecting occupants in real-world crashes, with autonomous emergency braking that works effectively in all-weather conditions including heavy snow and rain that blind other systems. Lane keeping assistance doesn't just work on perfect highways, it functions on winding mountain roads and rural paths where lane markings might be faded or obscured by weather. The reason this is happening is Subaru's commitment to safety in challenging conditions where other manufacturers' systems simply give up and disengage. But listen to this, the system maintains full functionality at temperatures that would shut down other manufacturers' safety tech, ensuring that your protection never takes a weather day when you need it most. That's engineering integrity that transforms outdoor adventures from calculated risks into confident explorations, where advanced technology works as your invisible co-pilot through any conditions nature presents. Car number 6, Mitsubishi Outlander 2025. The plug-in hybrid revolution isn't just about reducing emissions, it's about fundamentally changing how we think about vehicle capability and convenience, says Dr. Sarah Chen, automotive technology analyst at Tokyo Institute of Advanced Engineering. And the 2025 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV perfectly embodies this transformation with industry-leading battery capacity that extends electric-only driving to distances that make daily gasoline use optional, rather than necessary. This isn't Mitsubishi playing catch-up in electrification, this is the company that pioneered consumer plug-in hybrid technology, taking their expertise to the next level with a system so refined that it makes other manufacturers' efforts look like early beta testing. The greater battery capacity translates to real-world electric range that covers most people's daily driving needs, while the gasoline backup eliminates the range anxiety that keeps potential electric vehicle buyers awake at night. The interior flexibility showcases Mitsubishi's understanding that modern families need adaptability above all else, with an available 7-seat configuration that doesn't compromise comfort for the sake of accommodating more bodies. Those third-row seats aren't just marketing checkboxes, they're genuinely usable spaces for adults on shorter trips and perfect for children on longer journeys, with individual climate controls and charging ports that keep everyone comfortable and connected. The improved material quality represents a dramatic leap forward from previous generations, with soft-touch surfaces, premium fabrics, and fit and finish that rivals vehicles costing significantly more. But that's not all. The intelligent storage solutions include hidden compartments for valuable items, multiple charging zones for devices, and cargo management systems that prevent items from shifting during dynamic driving or emergency maneuvers. The connectivity revolution centers around over-the-air updates that continuously improve vehicle performance, efficiency, and functionality without requiring dealer visits or manual updates. Predictive navigation doesn't just find the fastest route, it analyzes traffic patterns, weather conditions, and your driving history to suggest optimal departure times and alternative routes before problems develop. The comprehensive safety suite includes adaptive cruise control that maintains safe following distances in all weather conditions, plus lane keeping assistance that works on curved roads and during lane changes. The reason this is happening is Mitsubishi's investment in AI systems that learn from millions of driving scenarios worldwide. But listen to this, the integration between safety systems creates a protective ecosystem where each technology enhances the others, resulting in accident prevention capabilities that exceed the sum of individual components. That's next-generation protection that transforms every journey into a safer experience, where advanced electronics work invisibly to prevent problems before they develop into dangerous situations. Car number 7. Lexus NX 2025. Here's a glimpse into the future that's available right now. Luxury automotive brands worldwide are scrambling to copy the refinement standards that Lexus has quietly perfected in the 2025 NX, creating a benchmark for premium SUVs that redefines what buyers should expect when they invest in true luxury transportation. The NX's hybrid system represents the pinnacle of smooth, sophisticated power delivery, where the transition between electric and gasoline power is so seamless that you'll question whether internal combustion engines are even running. This is engineering artistry that makes every acceleration feel like silk wrapped in velvet. The ultra-quiet cabin doesn't just reduce noise, it creates an acoustic sanctuary that transforms your daily commute into a meditative experience where road stress simply evaporates. But that's not all. The system learns your preferences for power delivery, adjusting responsiveness based on whether you prefer sporty acceleration or maximum efficiency, creating a personalized driving character that evolves with your mood and needs. The interior represents a masterclass in material selection and craftsmanship, where every surface tells a story of Japanese attention to detail that borders on obsessive perfectionism. Premium leather that ages beautifully over years of use combines with genuine wood trim and brushed aluminum accents to create an environment that feels more like a luxury lounge than a vehicle interior. The seats aren't just comfortable, they're ergonomically perfected for long-distance travel, with heating, cooling, and massage functions that work in harmony to prevent fatigue during extended journeys. It gets worse for the competition when you experience the ambient lighting system that adjusts color temperature throughout the day to match natural circadian rhythms, actually improving driver alertness and passenger comfort through scientific lighting design. The reason this is happening is Lexus's investment in human factors research that studies how interior environments affect mood, stress levels, and overall well-being during travel. The cutting-edge infotainment suite responds with smartphone-like immediacy while integrating seamlessly with both Apple and Android ecosystems, creating a digital environment that feels familiar yet sophisticated. High sound insulation combines with a premium audio system that delivers concert hall acoustics where even compressed streaming music sounds like live performance. But listen to this, the safety innovations include superior pedestrian detection that can identify individuals even in challenging visibility conditions, predictive speed management that anticipates traffic flow changes before they occur, and high-precision radar systems that create a protective bubble extending far beyond the vehicle's physical boundaries. The legendary Lexus reliability transforms from marketing promise into daily reality, where every component is engineered to function flawlessly for decades rather than just survive warranty periods. That's luxury redefined as reliability you can depend on, where premium means not just expensive materials but also engineering excellence that protects your investment and your peace of mind for years to come. These 7 Japanese SUVs represent more than just transportation. They're engineering masterpieces that demonstrate why Japanese automotive excellence continues to set global standards for reliability, innovation, and value. From the Toyota RAV4's seamless hybrid efficiency to the Lexus NX's redefinition of automotive luxury, each vehicle offers something unique while maintaining the legendary reliability that makes buying Japanese a smart financial decision. Final disclaimer. This content is for educational and entertainment purposes only and should not be considered professional automotive advice. Before making any vehicle purchase decisions, consult with qualified automotive professionals, conduct thorough test drives, and research current pricing and availability in your specific market.